From beans to rice, where rice production at the Ahero irrigation scheme is set to double once the planned expansion of the scheme is completed. The National Irrigation Authority plans to expand the irrigation scheme to 36,000 acres from the current 16,000 acres. The authority say Ahero is currently producing close to 40,000 metric tons of rice, but has the potential to double the number to 100,000 metric tons. Achola Simon with the details.
Kenya has been growing at a rate of 11% in the last 10 years. This has made rice the third most important staple cereal in Kenya after maize and wheat. However, production has fallen far behind consumption, with the country producing 80,000 tons, while Kenyans consumed 710,000 tons in 2020. To lower the import cost and spur consumption, Kenya has been expanding land under rice irrigation, which currently stands at 25,000 acres. To increase rice production, the National Irrigation Authority plans to increase acreage at the Ahero irrigation scheme.
We say that if you want to go fast, go along. But if you want to take a longer distance, then go together. So maybe we can go together, but depending on how the Kenyans show their ownership. So rice production is one of the areas that the Japanese government is looking at, but also other areas of cooperation, because you have so nice Lake Victoria water resources, and there are social challenges that the neighboring counties are facing.
The National Irrigation Authority says the Ahero irrigation scheme is currently producing close to 40,000 metric tons of rice, but has the potential to hit well over 100,000 metric tons each season.
Still, there's a lot over around 20,000 acres which have not exploited, because also the capacity of our pumping system here. But now with this, if the Soru Coin Dam is constructed, we can be able to bring the other areas which we have not been able to exploit into food production. And that one will be able to increase the food security in this region.
The expansion of Ahero will be done with the help of Japanese government through Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA.
We would like to make this partnership sustainable on rice production in this area. So not only the rehabilitation of the infrastructure, we'd like to have a strong farming community here. That's the key for rice production to grow further. So not only the hardware component of the assistance that we are looking at, but we are looking at the soft component assistance.
The scheme manager, Ken Sitawa, also wants the government to invest more in mechanical pest and bird control measures to reduce wastage. Currently, close to a third of the production go to waste due to invasion by the red-billed quelea birds. Achola Simon, Business, Kisumu County.